Prepare to be amazed because today we are creating a stunning table setting inspired by the country of Belize. There's pops of color, ornate accessories, natural elements, and of course, tasty treats which bring together the entire vision. Hey everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. We hope you're enjoying these Tablescape tutorials and have been inspired to step up your table setting for dinner parties or tea parties. This series was inspired by our Around the World Bag of the Month. For the month of May, we're featuring the tropical and serene country of Belize. For this tablescape, we're using fabrics from the Belize collection designed by Lauren Leslie's studio for PBS Fabrics. This collection was also featured on the sleek, eye-catching Sachi bag for our Bag of the Month kit. We prepared the Sachi bag with a matching carry-along bag and the Paris travel pillow pattern for a complete travel-ready trio. View the entire fabric collection and kits on our website with these bright and bold colors that represent the lush, breathtaking country of Belize. So here's what we gathered for our tablescape. Of course, we have plates, utensils, a set of napkins using our free napkin pattern on our blog, our new Dresden table topper pattern featuring eco-friendly cork fabrics, various ceramic vases, candles, some yummy rum cake, large tropical leaves and florals, a coordinating tablecloth, and faux leather napkin rings using our new free pattern on our blog. Now we're ready for the tutorial. Lay out the tablecloth. We're using this bright blue print from the Belize collection, and we probably should have ironed the fabric, by the way. Next, we added some tropical leaves, our Dresden table topper, which adds a lovely natural texture to the table. Then we placed the plates over the leaves. For the fabric napkins, we folded them a little differently this time since we wanted to fan them over each plate. Flip the napkin so the wrong side is face up and fold the bottom edge up about a third of the way. Then accordion fold the entire napkin with the folds measuring about 1 inch wide. Then wrap the napkin ring around the napkin and secure it in place. You can arrange the folds to your liking and repeat for the other napkin. Next, add the utensils from left to right, first with the fork on the left, then the knife and the spoon on the right. Now for some more color. I had the ceramic pitcher at home and we simply added some bright tropical florals. After that, we added some more ceramic bases and even more greenery and our iridescent candles for more subtle color. Play around with what you already have at home or even visit your local thrift shop for unique, one-of-a-kind decor pieces. Our table setting wouldn't be complete without a yummy treat. Rum cake is a traditional dessert choice of Belize. We found this rum cake at Marshall's in the food section, but there are lots of recipes online to easily bake your own. Rum cakes are very moist, soft, and consist of a rich flavor. And here's the big reveal. This may be our favorite tablescape yet. How fun is this? And who wouldn't want to eat surrounded by luscious florals and leaves under their plate? Let us know in the comments if you're enjoying these tutorials. And all of the stunning fabrics and creative patterns featured in this tutorial are available on our website, sallietomato.com, or request them at your local fabric shop. It's so important to shop local and support your local businesses. We want to be here to inspire you in fresh ways. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next adventure.